At this point, I don't even know what's going on.
Oh, but I ain't seen your kind before, cause I'm feeling you and I don't wanna lose this thing we.
Okay, y'all, I know the hell was going on, right? But my sound for some reason don't come on. So I had to just, I don't know, I could put the sound back in. At this point, I don't even know what's going on. Okay, so I'm back. Now, I am going to take the same brush that I used to blend out the concealer for the first time. And I'm just going to tap my eyelid. Take any excess concealer. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into caution again. Be careful to stay within the cut crease. So yeah, that's how that goes. Okay, so that's the yellow on my eyelid. Seeing as I don't want to do the all yellow look anymore, I want to go back in with maintenance.
When I'm with you, boy, you know you got me feeling so amazing.
I am going to go in with another brush, this, and I'm just going to add some of gloves on, which is this black, this glittery black. I'm just tapping it there. I don't want a lot. You know, black could get messy quick. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush just to blend that black in a bit. Okay, so y'all know how it goes. This is what I'm using on my face. CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in the shade D80. So I'm just gonna put that on my face with no primer. What the? Okay, so primer. The only primer I use since I got it in BoxyCharm. So I'm gonna go full coverage tonight. Why the hell have I still not done my eyebrows? Wait, hold. Okay, so I did my brows. Now I'm gonna go back and blend out my foundation. Next, we're gonna do my highlight. And I'm gonna
Held me down.
This is actually blending it out good. Okay, and now I'm going to use this brush. This is my powder brush. And I'm gonna go into my Fit Me.
Feeling you and I don't wanna lose this thing we got for sure. You my blessing, I ain't stressing. We gon'
I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into my Icon by Lisa Wallace, Icon Cosmetics by Lisa Wallace, my pressed powder, and this is in the shade number 8, and I'm gonna go all over my face with it.
I'm your queen and I'm so motherfucking proud.
Okay, this is the final look. This is how everything turned out. I did everything else off camera, so you know the norm. But overall, I am pleased with this palette. The only thing I have to say is that the yellow turned orange. I don't know why, but probably later on I'm going to do it with the actual eyeshadow primer and see how that goes. But thank you so much for watching this video. I have to go. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to your girl and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another upload from me. And don't forget to always be you because nobody else can. And please, don't go broke pop styling for these niggas. See you in the next video. Bye.